Hello everyone, this is Gayatri Negi. I'm an intern in Lexis and Company and you're watching LexClick. In this video, we'll discuss about sextortion. We'll start with the meaning of sextortion first. It means to get sexual favors or money. A person may be threatened with the publication of sexual photographs or other material which is referred to as sextortion. Blackmailing a victim into disclosing sexual images or information is another kind of sextortion that is used to demand money or sexual favors. It is possible to utilize text, videos, and photos. The most common method of blackmail is via social media platforms. For instance, a lover can threaten to publish an explicit or nude photo of his online girlfriend. The ensuring non-consensual hardcore pornography can be created by him, compelling her to perform sexual actions or stand naked in front of a camera. Now, there are various ways through social media where your pictures might be leaked, or you might send your uh, these kinds of videos or pictures to your boyfriend or to someone who is very close to you. But these things can be used against you as well. So, I will tell you how to prevent being a victim of sextortion. First, you need to put the privacy setting on all your social media profiles. Second, never email incriminating pictures of yourself to someone, no matter how close you are. Thirdly, never open attachments from a sender you don't know. Fourth, turn off your electronic gadgets and cameras while not in use. Watch out for strangers who try to quickly switch the discussions to another platform on dating services or social media. Be wary of new internet contacts that send you explicit pictures of themselves that they can claim to be. This is a typical tactic employed by extortionists to lead the discussion in a sexual direction and weaken the defense of the victims. Now, refuse to pay the extortionist demanded ransom. Immediately cease associating with the perpetrator. All conversation with the extortionist should be documented. Make sure that all your social media accounts are safe. Alert the relevant social media network to the content. Speak with a skilled lawyer and specialize in cyber crimes. Now, what are the laws that are for against sextortion? First is Section 108, Clause 1A of CRPC, where the victim has authority to call the local magistrate and tell him or her about the individual she thinks would spread any pornographic material. Then you have Section 292 of Indian Penal Code. It says that any person who disseminates or makes threat to disseminate any intimate or compromising photos of another person via any electronic medium, including apps and other social media, is guilty. Then you also have Section 354C of IPC. With the use of other pertinent provisions from the Information Technology Act, a voyeurism case may also be made if an inappropriate photo of a lady is taken without her consent and circulated. So this was all about sextortion from my side. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.